Okay, so go to your document, and in the upper corner you should see 3 little dots. Click on those 3 little dots and go down to where it says More Tools, and then on the pop-up scroll down to Extensions. Open your extension, and the easiest thing to do is just search for line number, and it should come up for you, and then you can open that from there. When you view it on the extension side, since I already have it, I couldn't show you, but it's going to look like this, line numbers, and then you're going to just, instead of saying remove here, you should say add to Chrome. And once you do that, once you have it in Chrome, you should have this little icon that comes up in your toolbar area, and in your document, when you're there in your blank document, you'll just you can either click here, line numbers for Google Docs, or you can click here. This should automatically pop up for you as well. So you'll click on line numbers, and you can click continuous or restart each page, however you want to do that. And you're starting at 1, and I normally count by 5, but that's completely up to you. And I also count blank lines, and then I apply. So now that should be working for you. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah. And don't forget to click your line numbering and apply. And so now you can see that I have a line number.